Tonight, let's help a little bear fall asleep. In a quiet forest, there lived a little bear named Bruno. Bruno loved to play all day. He walked, he stretched, he explored the trees. But tonight, something felt different. Bruno opened his mouth wide. Yawn. His eyes felt warm. His paws felt heavy. The moon peeked through the trees. It smiled gently at Bruno. "Good night, little bear," the moon whispered. Bruno sat down on the soft grass. He yawned again. Yawn. The stars twinkled slowly above him. The forest became very quiet. A cool breeze passed by. Leaves rustled softly. Bruno lay down near a cozy tree. He hugged his paws close. In and out, slowly, softly. Bruno closed his eyes. Soon, the little bear was fast asleep, and the forest rested too. Now it's time for you to sleep. Close your eyes, feel safe, feel calm. Good night, sweet dreams.